In this example, we are going to add video to the content. Now, this is if you already have video recorded and you wish to add it to the content. So we will go to Course Admin. You would go to Content. Again, you would see where it says Upload and Create. If you already know what section that you wish to put it in, you would click on that, go to Upload, Create, go to Video, Audio, and what you would do is you would go to Upload, and then you would drag and drop. But you please make sure that your file size is less than 1 gigabyte in size. And then you would click Save. And there you have it.